Hello, Sarah of SEK Handmade here, and today I want to share with you how to make an over half double crochet. An over half double crochet is a really unique stitch that has a really special texture that I really adore. I have used the over half double crochet right here in my Aelia earring and in this little center part. I will confess, doing an over half double crochet takes a little practice, but once you practice it, it gives such amazing texture. I totally promise that it is absolutely worth it. The way that a half double crochet is placed can be done in several ways. So be sure that whatever pattern you are using, that you read the instructions in the pattern carefully. But generally speaking, the way that an over half double crochet works is it's worked over a row of stitches that is already in place by going through and into a chain space. Let me show you how that works. Since you're doing a half double crochet, just like any other half double crochet, you're going to yarn over. You're going to go over the row of single crochets that I have here, or whatever row you're instructed, into the chain space, all the way to the back of your work. Grab your yarn, yarn over, and pull up a loop. Now, this is the tricky part. You want to pull up that loop to the height of your half double crochet. That's how you get these nice long strands of yarn there. And consistency with this takes a little practice. I know when I very first started using an over half double crochet, it took me a few times, and I'm not going to lie, a little frogging to get them to look really nice. So do not feel disheartened if you try it and your stitches don't look as even. Just practice, and you can absolutely get it. After you've carefully pulled your loops up to height, you're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook, just like you would any other half double crochet. And that is your stitch. Let's do it again. Yarn over, go over the row of single crochets into your chain space, pick up a loop, pull it up nice and high, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on your hook, just like you'd finish a half double crochet. Let's do it one more time. Yarn over, through your chain space, grab a loop, pull it up nice and high, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. And that is how you do an over half double crochet. Instructions for this stitch are in the description below. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any tips and tutorials, and happy crafting!